Temperatures are now in the high 60s downtown and out to the airport. Do be aware it is going to be a very warm weekend, especially as we're rounding out the month of September and heading into October. It's unseasonal to see these types of highs, but radar alerts, nothing in place here across the state. A ridge of high pressure building in. A few light showers will be possible over portions of our southern mountains through the day. Dry in Denver and off to our west. Temperatures right now we're in the high 50s in Greeley after starting off in the upper 40s. 60s now, Boulder and Broomfield, 70 and sunny from Bennett out into Akron with 40s and 50s now making their way into many of our mountain towns. So a nice cool morning to start, but you can see we'll warm up here very quickly over the next several hours. By noon getting to 81 degrees, sunny skies, very little cloud coverage, so our UV index is high. Definitely want to apply sunscreen. Sunglasses, hat will all be your friend for today. Daytime highs will feel a little more like summertime. Upper 80s, 90s, Erie over the northeastern plains. Mid to high 70s, really comfortable, but warmer than normal as well. Grand Lake up into Estes Park. So here's a look at our climate calendar. Expecting highs today in the upper 80s. The record is 92. That was set back in 2010. Our averages, usually we start off in the mid 40s and top out in the low 70s, so well above both our highs and lows all weekend long. Highs this afternoon returning to the low 90s. Burlington, Lamar, 70s and some low 80s into our northern mountains. And if you are doing any leaf peeping, taking a hike, a bike ride, just spending any time in our gorgeous Colorado Rockies, it's going to be a nice weekend for it. Here's a look ahead at our statewide futurecast. A bit breezy at times, very little moisture expected across the state. Could see a few light rain showers, as you can see, over portions of our San Juan mountain range. Won't amount to too much. And then later on tonight into early tomorrow morning, more sunshine returns statewide. We'll start off very mild again, high 30s and 40s in the mountains, 50s and 60s across the plains. We're expecting upper 80s and low 90s to return. So Rockies this evening, it's going to be a nice warm start to the game and for tomorrow afternoon as well. Temperatures are set to soar across the desert southwest, including here over Colorado and the west coast, seeing drier and warmer than average conditions. Looking ahead at our Super 7-day forecast, really reflected here. Mid 80s on Monday, a little cooler. Seasonal on Tuesday, but it will stay dry and then warming right back up to the low to mid 80s through the middle and end of the week.